Porcupines, nature's prickly architects, flaunt quill-covered bodies for protection. Contrary to myths, they don't shoot quills, but their quills detach when touched, embedding in predators. Porcupines are herbivores, feasting on bark, leaves, and plants. Their strong teeth continually grow, ensuring they can gnaw through tough vegetation. Despite their slow demeanor, they're skilled climbers. Porcupines have a distinctive odor that may deter predators. Some species exhibit solitary habits, while others are social. Unfortunately, habitat loss and vehicle accidents pose threats. These unique creatures remind us of nature's ingenious adaptations and the delicate balance needed to coexist with the diverse inhabitants of our